Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. In this video, we will learn when to use je. Okay, tell me, do you say je aime or j'aime? Let's find out the correct way. Now, what is je? Je means I in French. We use it when the verb starts with a consonant. Here are some examples. Je parle. Je danse. Je mange. Next, what is je? Je is a shortened form of je. It is used when the verb starts with a vowel a, e, I, o, u, accent grave, accent aigu, or silent h. This is called elision to make speaking smoother. Here are some examples. J'aime, j'habite, j'écoute, j'étudie, j'ai. Always remember to use je before words starting with consonants and to use je before words starting with vowels or silent h. Now it's quiz time. Complete this sentence. Dash. Aime les pommes. Option A is je and option B is je. And the correct answer is option B, je. J'aime les pommes. Complete the sentence. Dash. Parle français. Option A is je and option B is je. And the correct answer is option A, je. Je parle français. Complete this sentence. Dash. Étudie le français. The first option is je and the next option is je. And the correct answer is option B, je. J'étudie le français. Complete this sentence. Dash. Joue au football. Here are your options. Option A is je. Option B is je. And the correct answer is option A, je. Je joue au football. Complete the sentence. Dash. Habite à Paris. The first option is je and the next option is je. And the correct answer is option B, je. J'habite à Paris. Which sentence is correct? Here are your options. Option A is je aime le chocolat. Option B is j'aime le chocolat. And the correct answer is option B. J'aime le chocolat. Which sentence is correct? Here are your options. Option A is je écoute la musique. And option B is j'écoute la musique. And the correct answer is option B. J'écoute la musique. Choose the right sentence. Here are options. Option A is Je adore les chats. And the second option is J'adore les chats. And the correct answer is option B. J'adore les chats. Complete the sentence. Dash. Regarde un film. Here are options. Option A is je and option B is je. And the correct answer is option A, je. Je regarde un film. Complete the sentence. Dash et un frère. Option A is je and option B is je. And the correct answer is option B, je. J'ai un frère. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Au revoir, bye.